How to update your Gmail recovery phone number. In this video, I'll show you how to update your Gmail recovery phone number. Keeping your recovery phone number up to date helps you recover your Google account if you ever lose access. Start by opening the Gmail app on your Android phone or iPhone. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner, then select Manage your Google account. Next, go to the Personal Info tab and tap Phone. Then select your recovery phone number. Verify your identity if prompted.
Or add now if you do not have any recovery email.
Enter your new recovery phone number, then follow the on-screen instructions to verify it with a code sent by Google.
Due to security reason, further process is blocked.
That's it. You've successfully updated your Gmail recovery phone number, helping keep your Google account secure and easier to recover. If you find this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.